Hey, welcome. I'm Janet E. Johnson, and I am here today to talk about my upcoming workshop. And this will be an actual in-person workshop that we will be doing on November 17th. So it's coming up pretty quickly. Believe it or not, it's November already. So let's talk about Facebook ads and Facebook marketing overall, and just your overall brand and sales funnel. And a lot of people don't know what a sales funnel is, but basically it's taking a company's dreams and goals, and you can even work your way backwards to how do they get to where you want them to go. And that's what a sales funnel is. So basically taking a concept idea from just being that concept. Let's say you have a product and you want to sell that product. So you want to drive them through a person that doesn't know your product, drive them through to create awareness first. It's usually brand awareness, then creating some sort of ad. Obviously, a lot of times we do Facebook ads to bring them over to either an email, build the email list and build the rapport there, or you bring them over to directly to make a sale, which is a little more difficult because you typically want to build the rapport first. So this is what we are going to be teaching at this Facebook training. So let's talk a little bit about what this is, because I wanted to get deeper into why I decided to do an actual live in-person workshop. And this isn't just going to be Facebook. It's a lot revolving around Facebook, but it's going to be a little deeper than that. So if you want to learn more about the event, it is the link is here. It's a bit.ly link that is right there. So I'm going to go over to the page and talk about it. Basically, why do I think this is important? The reason that I'm setting this up right now is because, first off, the time. It's the time of the year that people make a lot of sales with their business, especially in the retail space. If you're in any e-commerce type business and you're not marketing on Facebook during this holiday season, you're going to be losing out on sales. Facebook for marketers, 95% of marketers believe that Facebook is the best form of advertising out there. And it is. It has been documented that it really does work. But then you've got to add the little part about if you know what you're doing. So Facebook ads absolutely work, but that hitting the little boost button on the page, that's better than not hitting it at all, like not doing any advertising at all, but that's a very low level of advertising. And I really want to embrace businesses to learn how to use the business manager, the ads manager, not business manager necessarily, but ads manager in the right way so that they're really, really hitting their core audience and converting to leads and sales for the company. Excuse me for a second. And my cat always tends to join all of my podcasts. So happy cat back here. All right. So let's get into what this is going to be. So it's going to be a 2-day workshop in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's actually going to be in Edina. If you're from the area, you will know where that is. So very centrally located. We are only going to be holding between five. I would like to have 10 people max. So that's looking 10 to 12 people max. It just depends on the interest level, but I do want to keep this very, very small. And I'm going to be doing a pre-workshop video training. And what that will be is going into some of the areas that I want you to have done before you join us for the workshop. So some like having your ads manager set up, having your page set up. You need to have all that before you join us. It's just going to make us all on the same playground when we join that workshop. Playground, I don't know if that's the right word for it. Then we're going to do a 2 days implementation workshop, and that's going to be broke down into different parts, but afterwards also I'm going to be doing a one-on-one consult with each person individually. So you will get that too. Now going further, breaking it down, the first day on Friday we will go from 9 to 5, and then Saturday we will also go from 9 to 5. So it will be 2 full days. And on the first day we're going to learn about branding, learning your avatar, learning what your sales funnel looks like. We're going to be talking about video and how to best use videos for your ads, finding the right graphics for your ads, and the key audiences. So those are the things that we will be doing on the first day. On the second day, Saturday, we will actually fully set up the ad. So we are going to create and get the graphics, get the copy, potentially create some simple videos, and do all of that within the second day. So we are going to sit down and create your ads with you. So you will have a working ads, and I'm saying multiple ads because we want you to test this. So you will have working ads when you leave. We'll also show you how to build likes on your page, and if you want to add some social proof, we will walk through that too. So we will be able to get you lots of likes for social proof if that's something that you're interested in. So I want you to walk away with the social proof on your page, irresistible offer to drive leads and sales, knowing exactly how to create your ads that you can duplicate again and again. This might be an ad you do once, but then you're going to be doing it again and again. You'll be able to do this over and over in different formats, but you'll know what you're doing after you leave. And also, being able to talk to peers about your ideas and ask us questions right there. That's always, always helpful. So then after it, do we know if the ad works or not? Not until it runs a few days. So that's the thing. You need that follow-up. So we're going to actually walk you through analytics and how to read the analytics at the workshop, but we will also be doing a special one-on-one call that I'll be doing with you that will walk you through how your ads are doing so that you can scale those ads and know what tests are working the best. Does a graphic work better? Does a video work better? Does this copy work better? Does this copy work better? Does this audience work better, or does this audience work better? We're going to test all those different things, and then you're going to know how to do it and know what to look for. So that is the workshop. Come join me if you're in the area in Minneapolis and you have a business. You really need to arm yourself with knowing how to use Facebook ads. If you go back on my page, you will see I did a video recently, Facebook Live, that talked about the upcoming potential changes for Facebook pages. And it's going to be in the near future, potentially, that you're going to have to be doing ads all the time in order to get your page seen. So it's very important you equip yourself to really understand Facebook ads, because they are right now still the most cost-effective way to market any business, whether you're an e-commerce, large company, whether you're a local client, but you really need to understand it and know what you're doing. So I invite you to ask any questions. You can send me a message on my Facebook page. Feel free to do that. Reach out to me. My email is janet@janetejohnson.com if you have any questions there. Hello, Brad. I see you joined. Welcome, welcome. And just talking about this upcoming workshop, it is November 17th and 18th. I realize it's 2 days during the holidays, but I did want to get this out there so that you can take advantage of the holiday season for your business. So thanks a lot, and feel free to ask questions. And the bit.ly link is right in the comments there too. Thanks. Have a good day.